Where's Kaylee?
I'm right here.
There she is.
And I have some good news.
What's your news, Kaylee?
Well, this December 26th, we're tucking presents into your parcels. So if you spend $50,
Right?
you get one present.
One present. If you spend $100 before taxes, you get two presents.
And if you spend $200 before taxes,
you get
3 presents.
Woo!
And anyone that orders from December 26th to December 30th, 31st, will be entered into a draw to get a custom 20 by 30 hand-drawn pattern by Deanne. And
you get a consultation with Deanne so you can tell her what you'd like on your pattern. And you get a great chat with her. And then we'll also include a wool pack that'll work with your design.
Mm-hmm.
So all the gifts are studio made this year. Something a little different. Something different to tuck into your orders.
Mm-hmm. So get your orders in from December 26th to December 31st.
Right.